Ayan, so on Book of John, chapter 10, verse 27, sabi dito, "My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me." So, the sheep of the Lord knows His voice, at tayo kasama tayo doon. So, it is given na we are already hearing the word of the Lord and it must be clear sa atin. Pero kadalasan kasi, ang voice na malakas is voice nung nasa paligid natin, yung mga taong nasa paligid natin, yung mga tao na pinapakinggan natin, or kung minsan, yung own voice natin sa thoughts natin. And how many times in our life na kapag meron tayong tinatawag na voices na hinahayaan natin na mas malakas pa kaysa sa voice ng Panginoon, hindi nagiging helpful sa atin kasi either na-influensyan nila o nung voice na yun yung wisdom na binibigay ni Lord. And how many times na nagde-depend tayo doon pero hindi tayo nagde-depend sa voice ni Lord. Yung mga pagkakataon naman na andyan naman ang voice ni Lord, naririnig naman natin, pero kadalasan nagtataka tayo bakit parang ang hina. So, I just want to share sa inyo yung naging devotions ko regarding that. I want to read on this. When the spirit is willing, the flesh is weak. And may the voices around, even own voice in thoughts, be like sounds of crickets in the night. While the voice of the Lord will never stop sounding as flowing of rivers are, as strong as the presence of waterfalls, and as loud as the thunder and wind from the storm. Nabuo ko itong phrase na to because sometimes the voices around us or even yung own thoughts natin, yung voice sa thoughts natin, hindi naman natin mapipigil, hindi natin ma-stop. Pero po pwede naman kasi nating tignan na yung voice nila parang crickets tuwing gabi. Kapag tahimik ang gabi, maririnig mo yung crickets. Pero hindi ba, hindi naman ganun kalakas ang mga crickets o yung sounds ng crickets. Kailan lang sila nagiging malakas kapag walang ibang boses na naririnig or kapag walang mas malakas na boses. Kaya mas malakas sila during the night. Pero nawa sa atin, before we end this video, I would like to emphasize na nawa sa buhay natin, the voice of the Lord will never stop sounding as flowing of rivers are. Kasi ang flow ng river, minsan mahina, minsan malakas, pero hindi nahihinto unless maging tuyo yung river. Pero kadalasan ng mga river natin, mayroong tinatawag na flows. So yung flow na yon, it will always sound. At nawa yung voice ng Panginoon hindi mag-stop na mag-sound sa buhay natin. Ano pa? Maliban sa it will never stop sounding, so never stop seeking the Lord, never stop hearing and listening to the word of the Lord. Kaya pumapasok yung ating devotional life, pumapasok yung ating prayer life. At dito, as strong as the presence of waterfalls. Kapag ang isang waterfalls tuloy-tuloy na pagbagsak, di ba yung voice nila so strong that it affects those around them. So nawa, ang voice ng Panginoon, hayaan natin na magkaroon ng strong presence sa buhay natin so that it will make impact in our life. Hindi yung boses ng iba, hindi yung boses natin, but voice of the Lord. Ang panghuli dito, as loud as the thunder and wind from the storm. Ibig sabihin, kahit nandyan man yung mga boses, ang mga tao sa paligid natin or sarili nating boses sa thoughts natin, nawa yung boses ng Panginoon, yun yung pinakamalakas na boses na pinapakinggan natin at hinahayaan natin na ang boses ng Panginoon ang pinakamalakas. So, you will ask, maybe, paano ko palalakasin ang boses ng Panginoon? Hear His words. Narito ang salita ng Panginoon. Meditate on these words. Allow the word of the Lord fill our heart and our mind so that we can now set our affections on things above, not things on the earth. Kaya right now, kapatid, alam ko may pinagdadaanan ka or maaari pagdadaanan o katatapos lang. Ang aking gustong ibigay sa iyo, my encouragement to you is that be filled with the word of the Lord. And as you being filled by the word of the Lord, let those voices around you and your own voice be silenced, or be silenced by the word of the Lord. Be filled, mag-meditate ka sa Panginoon. Kaya ang tanong ko sa iyo, kapatid, my question would be, which voice are you allowing to become louder? Which voice are you willing to listen? Is it your own voice? Voice ng mga tao sa paligid mo? Or the voice of the Lord? Babalikan natin on John 10:27. It says, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. Voice of the Lord. Yun lang. God bless.